You have to prepare mentally for having an absolute shocker of a nightmare of a hellscape question in the first half of your paper. Let me just show you how to begin any proofs question. The point of proof is that you have to begin with something with an n in it. So if they say prove that two consecutive numbers, let's get rid of triangular numbers for a second, two consecutive numbers. So any number is called n. Right? And the next number after n is called n plus 1. And what you're supposed to do in a proofs question is take this, and then do some stuff to it. Maybe they say you square them, or what's the difference, and you stick a minus sign in between, or if you add them, then you put a plus. If they said the product of two consecutive numbers, you'd have to times them and put this one in brackets. So like, they're going to ask some kind of combination, but it's just the concept of starting with an n and then doing an n plus 1. Now, the really difficult thing about this question is that it's triangular numbers. And so what they're saying is consecutive triangular numbers. Prove that the sum of any two consecutive is a square number. What you want to do is, so this is like, this will come, is a square number is going to be the end of the question. We don't have two consecutive triangular. If you take all of this in one go, it's going to be too much to get your head around. So you want to try and go in. Consecutive numbers would be n, n plus 1. What would consecutive triangular numbers be? This is a triangular number. What would the next triangular number be in terms of n? All you're doing is replacing n with n plus 1. So I think this is advanced, but when I explain it to you, it will make sense. If you had a number n and you did this to it, this would give you some triangular number. If you then replaced n with n plus 1, it would give you the next triangular number. Do you see what I've done? I've replaced the n here. So what you do is you simplify. Now, you need to put brackets in there, okay? If in doubt, put brackets, so you can put brackets in there as well. So this is n brackets n plus 1 over 2. Okay, then the question says prove that the sum means there should be a plus sign in between them. Okay, let me just move this stuff up here. So we're adding these. Now, they've already got a common denominator 2, which is nice, so we can put the whole thing over 2. Now, what's this thing? I'm just going to expand this bracket. Now I'm going to expand this double bracket, which is disgusting, but let me just do it. Now I'm going to collect like terms. So now you can divide everything by 2 because everything's an even number here. And now the final step is n plus 1 all squared. I just think this is so disgusting. This is horrible. And this is a square number, so we proved it.